Hey there, welcome back to my channel, it's me the Mind Injector. Today, we're diving into the electrifying world of NIO and their groundbreaking moves in the electric vehicle landscape. Can the future of transportation be revolutionized by an unexpected player entering the European market? Stick around because in this video, we'll explore the answer to that question and delve into another burning one. Can NIO reach a $50 stock price? Excited? You should be. Let's get started. Breaking news sent shockwaves through the market as Chinese electric vehicle giant NIO announced plans to launch its Firefly brand in Europe late next year. Firefly, the embodiment of NIO's vision for a line of electric vehicles aimed at the middle market, is set to disrupt the industry with a price range of $13,000 to $26,000. As the electric vehicle space becomes saturated, major players are gearing up to tap into the middle market. NIO's Firefly isn't just a new product. It's a strategic move to challenge BYD, China's largest car company and the leading EV maker globally. What sets Firefly apart is its focus on affordability, a crucial factor as car makers race to cater to a wider consumer base. In a market dominated by high-end players like Tesla, targeting the middle market is a strategic pivot. BYD, with over 300,000 cars shipped in November alone, is the current king of affordable EVs. The key to success in this segment lies in offering competitive range, low maintenance costs, and delivering an experience akin to traditional gas-fueled cars. What's intriguing is NIO's decision to launch Firefly in Europe before its debut in China. This strategic move indicates NIO's ambition to establish a strong foothold in international markets, emphasizing the global nature of the electric vehicle revolution. But what about the technology? NIO promises to bring its battery swapping technology to Firefly, a feature that has set it apart in the EV space. This isn't just about launching a new brand, it's about NIO's commitment to innovation and shaping the future of electric vehicles. Firefly is not just a product, it's a statement, a challenge to the status quo. As NIO positions itself for a grand entry into the European market, it grapples with challenges back home. The company's stock prices have faced fluctuations, driven by factors like intense competition, a price war initiated by Tesla, and evolving consumer preferences. In response, NIO recently announced a 10% cut to its workforce, a move aimed at enhancing operational efficiency and reducing costs. However, this might not be the end of the streamlining efforts. Analysts, like Deutsche Bank's Edison Yu, suggest that NIO could undergo additional cost-cutting measures, potentially involving another 10% to 20% reduction in the workforce. NIO's denial doesn't eliminate the possibility, and it's essential for investors to stay tuned to unfolding developments. One strategic move that aligns with cost-cutting is NIO's reported intention to spin off its battery manufacturing unit. This move makes sense considering the robust local supply chain for batteries in China. A spin-off could lead to increased efficiency, cost-effectiveness, and a streamlined focus on core competencies. But that's not the only potential spin-off. The chip development team, responsible for significant R&D spend, would also find itself as a standalone entity. This move aligns with China's emphasis on semiconductor development, marking it as of strategic importance. NIO's spin-off strategy is not just about cost-cutting, it's about creating value and fostering innovation in specialized areas. As NIO undergoes strategic shifts, financial considerations become paramount. The recent layoffs, spin-off strategies, and partnerships, including those with Geely and state-owned Changan Automobile, aim to navigate the complex financial landscape. These partnerships involve building a new battery pack and chassis architecture, creating a blueprint for future collaborations. With uncertainties around the Chinese EV market and increased competition, NIO's ability to manage costs, form strategic alliances, and secure financial backing becomes crucial. The recent 10% cut in its workforce is not just about numbers, it's about aligning the company for sustained growth and weathering market dynamics. Now, let's address the burning question on everyone's mind. Can NIO stock reach $50? To answer this, we need to delve into NIO's growth trajectory, the factors influencing its stock price, and the recent surge in its market value. NIO's growth story is captivating, marked by expanding market share in China's EV industry. The company's commitment to high-quality vehicles, cutting-edge technology, and robust charging infrastructure has garnered attention globally. But reaching $50 isn't just about the past, it's about what lies ahead. Market expansion is a key driver. NIO's success hinges on its ability to expand beyond China. With plans to launch Firefly in Europe and explore other international markets, NIO aims to tap into new avenues for growth. Technological advancements, especially in autonomous driving and battery technology, play a pivotal role in shaping investor sentiment. Government support is another factor. Policies and incentives promoting electric vehicle adoption can significantly impact NIO stock price. As governments worldwide prioritize sustainable transportation, NIO stands to benefit from increased demand and favorable regulatory environments. Yet, competition looms large. The EV market is a battleground with established players and newcomers vying for dominance. NIO's challenge is not just to differentiate itself but to maintain its position as a market leader, a factor that will influence its stock trajectory. Before we get into the exciting details, let me introduce you to Mumu Financial. If you open a brokerage account with Mumu and deposit at least $1 using the link in the description, you'll get a chance to draw a free stock worth up to $2,000. But that's not all. If you make a net deposit of $100 or more, you'll receive not just one, but 5 free stocks worth up to $2,000 each. And if you're really serious about investing, you can deposit $1,000 or more and get a whopping 15 free stocks, bringing your potential earnings to a staggering $30,000. So, sign up now using the link in the description and get those free stocks. Now, let's get back to the video. The recent surge in NIO stock price is no accident. Strong sales growth, positive earnings reports, and heightened investor confidence in the company's long-term prospects have contributed to this upswing. But is $50 a realistic target? While ambitious, it's not entirely unrealistic given NIO's growth potential, expanding market share, and the bullish sentiment surrounding the EV industry. However, caution is warranted. Stock prices are influenced by various factors and are subject to volatility. Investors must consider risks associated with NIO, including regulatory changes, supply chain disruptions, and intense competition. Thorough research and a clear understanding of risk tolerance are essential before making investment decisions. As NIO charts its course, several areas become focal points for investors. The company's willingness to adapt, innovate, and navigate challenges will be closely watched. The expansion of its dealer network, potential spin-offs, and strategic partnerships will play key roles in shaping NIO's future. The phone unit, while a relatively low-cost operation, raises questions. NIO's foray into the smartphone realm might be a distraction. The suggestion that the smartphone OEM could lead this operation is an interesting perspective, highlighting the need for focus in a rapidly evolving industry. As we conclude this dive into the dynamic world of NIO and the electric vehicle revolution, remember, it's more than just watching stock prices. Today, we explore NIO's ambitious plans for global expansion and the exciting prospects of Firefly lighting up the European market. Investing in NIO isn't just about financial gains, it's about being part of a revolution that's reshaping how we move and drive. This is it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching and please make sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below.